Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Snapchat app keep crashing on iPhone after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Force close Snapchat app and reboot your iPhone. To force close Snapchat app, double tap on home button, swipe up to close the app. After that, reboot your iPhone. To reboot iPhone, tap on device, tap on more and tap restart and tap again restart to confirm your action. Solution number 2. Update your Snapchat app. To update Snapchat app, open App Store. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and update your Snapchat app if available. Solution number 3. Check for software update. To check that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi. Next, tap on General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if available. Solution number 4. Delete the Snapchat app and reinstall it. To delete Snapchat app, tap and hold the Snapchat app. A window will appear and tap Delete app. After that, go to App Store and reinstall the app. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 6. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, launch Settings, scroll down and tap General, scroll down and tap Reset, tap Reset all settings, put your passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.